Guys, and in this video I will show you a program that will let the user input words that can be generated from the word breaker, and precisely there are 27 words that is possible to be generated from the word breaker. And in this two variables that is named true and error are int data types that is started from 0, as we haven't started placing any inputs yet. And so I created a array named word, and inside of the word are the 27 possible words that can be derived from the word breaker. Okay, so we have the array now. This statement below shows that it will let the user ask to place an input into the val variable, and after it will check and compare if the val input we placed has any matched words from the array named word. And if it matches from the array, the true will increment a plus, a 1 sign, and print in an input that is correct, it shows. And else, if the input we place is not matched to any of the 27 words from the array, it will print the input is correct, and the error will get a 1 increment instead of the true. And we have placed a 27 statements here that will ask only if the statement at the input, is be matching the 27 words. So, okay, let's start. For example, I will place a word bear. And as you can see here, the input is correct, and let's assume that in this true data type, it currently has a 1 in it. And let's try to put word B. It's correct. EK, correct. ARE, correct. And all these 4 inputs I place is correct. So we have now currently the program, the true has now a 4 value in it. It's incrementally 4 times because of the true I have input. And now let's place our wrong input, like blah 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 blah. And it shows that the input is incorrect, and the input is incorrect, and the input is incorrect. So currently now we have a 4 correct inputs and a 3 incorrect inputs. 2. So let's try to finish this 27 times and show how many inputs we place that are correct and not correct. Is the correct one. B, 3, and blah 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 blah. Now, in this program, it shows that the correct inputs we have placed in the val is only 8, and the incorrect inputs is 19. So it shows that in all the 27 inputs the program asks us, we only have 8 correct inputs and 19 correct inputs. And this raw input, it means that it is a string. It will returns a string, and in this lower, it will convert all strings we have placed, the 27 strings we have placed, into a lower cases, so it will avoid a case sensitive error, because inside this array we have placed all lowercase strings, so it will not cause any problems. Unlike this, there are no problems at all. So this is my code, and thank you, and blah!